Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make that perfect Nigerian buns. This buns is very crunchy on the outside and it is very soft in the inside and also tasty. If you want to find out how this is made, make sure you watch this video to the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if this is your first time here. My name is Grace and I share recipes you find very interesting, so click and join the community. For this recipe I'll be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and inside this my bowl of flour I'll be adding half teaspoon of grated nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/3 cup of sugar. I'll be mixing all these dry ingredients together properly. Once that is done, I'll be adding in my margarine, and I use 2.5 tablespoons of margarine for this. So I'm just going to be using the tip of my fingers to mix this thoroughly until it is well combined. The list of all the quantities of ingredients we use in this recipe can be found in the caption below, so do well to check it out. So after the mixing, I'll go ahead to add in my wet ingredients. So I've added in 1 egg and I use a total quantity of 3.5 cups of water. You can actually replace your water with milk, that is totally optional and up to you. So I'm just going to mix this together until the dough is formed. After your mixing, you should be getting a dough like this. So I'm just going to allow this to rest for 3 to 5 minutes and we'll be back to it. While the dough is resting, I'll go ahead now to pour in the oil we'll be using to fry these buns, and you need at least 3 liters of oil for your frying, and I'm going to heat this up on a medium heat. So back to our dough, we can start rolling it. This is the original buns recipe. See, if you watch our mothers then, or if you watch the vendors, you see they're using their palms to make this into a nice shaped ball, and that is what we are doing here. So I will just gradually put this into the oil. One thing you should note here is that the oil I'm using to fry these buns is not too hot, neither is it cold, it's just in between. Is tolerable to your palms in case it splashes on your palm, because if the oil is too hot, just know that your buns is just going to cook fast on the outside and the inside won't be cooked. And if the oil is not hot enough, you are going to have your buns drain in the oil. So you just have to note that. Occasionally I just flip the bun so that all sides can be properly fried. Once the buns is this golden brown, it is ready and we are about to take this off higher, and this took about 11 minutes to get ready. So I'm just going to transfer the buns to a paper towel and I'll allow it to drain any excess oil. You can never go wrong with this recipe. You should try it out, and it tastes even as good as it looks. So guys, this is our Nigerian buns and it is very perfect, and you should try this out. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. I would like to see you in my next video, and if you try this recipe, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram handle at racevalue, because I would like to repost that. For now, bye.